SJS is a horrendous skin disease. Your skin is destroyed almost to the level of third-degree burns. If the SJS condition is allowed to progress, it's not curable. Stevens-Johnson syndrome is a known chemical and medical reaction to certain prescription pharmaceutical drugs. There are specific drugs that are on the market where there is a risk of getting SJS. The problem is, if the risk of getting SJS outweighs the therapeutic benefit of the drug shouldn't be on the market. Many of these drugs are still on the market and are still currently being prescribed and have not been recalled. When we handle SJS cases, we don't sue any prescribing doctors. We only sue the manufacturer of the prescription pharmaceutical. A manufacturer can and should warn about the potential of getting SJS from taking a prescription pharmaceutical. Over the past several years, we've handled a number of SJS cases where our clients have been unfortunate victims of these defective pharmaceuticals. Helping to make the pharmaceutical manufacturer responsible for the defect in their drug product is what our goal is.